So, if the world is more or less divided into cake lovers and pie lovers, I'm guessing that you come down on the side of the latter. I mean, I know I do. But that doesn't mean I don't like digging out my 9-inch round pans from time to bake one of my all-time favorite cakes, carrot cake. Now, maybe you've noticed that carrot cake seems to be everywhere these days, online and in magazines. And I'm thrilled that it's enjoying something of a comeback. And why shouldn't it? I mean, it's a moist, wholesome harvest cake that's nutty and fruity and attractive as all get out, and you don't have to be an artist to dress it up. It's a good thing, too, because I'm kind of a klutz with a pastry bag. And that said, I do have what I think is the best recipe for carrot cake, and we're baking one in our next live class on Sunday, September 14th. And if I can't teach you how to be a decorating genius, I can teach you all the little tricks you need to make you look like one. So why don't you join us for this exciting new class? We're heading into the peak entertaining season now, and just imagine how surprised your friends and family will be when you pull out this gorgeous carrot cake instead of the pie they're expecting. You're going to blow some minds. You'll find the sign-up links below. And remember, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in class.